Hi friends! Today let's guess some farm animals together. I'll give you some clues and you try to guess the animal. Ready? Let's go. 1. It is big and white with black spots. It gives milk and says moo. What is it? It is a cow. 2. It has soft white wool. People use its wool to make clothes and it says ba. What is it? It is a sheep. 3. It is pink and loves mud. It has a curly tail and says oink. What is it? It is a pig. 4. It is big and fast. People ride on its back and it says neigh. What is it? It is a horse. 5. It has feathers and lays eggs. It says cluck cluck. What is it? It is a hen. 6. It eats a lot of plants. It has horns and says ma. What is it? It is a goat. 7. It likes to swim and have webbed feet. It says quack. What is it? It is a duck. 8. It is like a small horse, but it has longer ears. It is very strong and carries heavy loads. It says hee-haw. What is it? It is a donkey. 9. It is a big bird with feathers. Its sound is gobble, gobble, and people sometimes eat it at special meals. What is it? It is a turkey. 10. It looks like a chicken, but it is louder. It wakes everyone up by saying cock-a-doodle-doo. What is it? It is a rooster. 11. It is small and furry. Farmers like it because it chases mice. It says meow. What is it? It is a cat. 12. It is a good friend to people on the farm. It helps protect animals and says woof. What is it? It is a dog. 13. It is small, soft, and quick. It has long ears and likes to hop around. It enjoys eating carrots and vegetables. What is it? It is a rabbit. 14. It is tiny, yellow, and fluffy. It is the baby of a hen and makes a soft cheep cheep sound. What is it? It is a chick. Great job, everyone! Now you know more about farm animals. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.